All right, guys, Valentine's Day is literally tomorrow, and you don't have anything up your sleeve. That's why you have me. We are coming at you with the Love Potion cocktail. This one is sure to impress the lucky lady or the lucky gentleman in your life for this Valentine's Day. So, this is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins. You've got your jigger to measure accurately all of our ingredients. This is going to have fresh juice in it, so we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer for this one. So we're going to start off with lemon juice, and we are going to do 0.5 ounces. And don't forget, ingredients are listed below, so you can follow along with me. We'll build the cocktail together and make sure that it's absolutely perfect for that special somebody in your life. We have raspberry syrup, and this guy is going to be nice and potent. As I was pouring it, I was like, holy smokes. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of the raspberry syrup. Ooh, she's thick. All right, and this one is going to have some egg white in it. Now, you can use egg white or you can use a vegan alternative, so that is completely up to you, but you're going to get a nice frothy feel to this one, so you're going to do 0.25 ounces with this guy. And then we are going to have your favorite gin. Again, my favorite gin is typically going to be a more floral and citrusy type of gin rather than juniper. But we're going to do 1.5 ounces of your favorite gin. Of course, we're going to make sure that we've got plenty of ice going into our shaker tin. Now, I will say, when it comes to egg white or a vegan alternative, you do typically want to have a mime shake or a dry shake first. I shake really, 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 really hard, so I kind of forgo that step. But if you're new to this, I would definitely say shake without any ice first, just to make sure that you get that nice frothiness going on. Then add the ice after the fact. But I'm lightly or mildly aggressive, so I promise I'll have plenty of froth. Make sure that's on there nice and tight. Again, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, if you enjoy the content that you've got going on, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see or if I'm doing all right. But let's go ahead and shake until this is nice and cold in our hands. Again, guys, we used fresh juice, so we're going to be using our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. I told you guys this was a straight up love potion. Look at that color. Absolutely fantastic. Whew. I wish you guys were here because that aroma of the raspberry is so powerful. I told you guys I'm mildly aggressive. Plenty of froth going on there. And because I wanted to up my garnish game, and because Valentine's Day is legit tomorrow, I decided to go in with some cute little gummy hearts for our garnish. And there she is, guys. Your love potion awaits. Until the next pour, guys. Cheers.